Today we're going to learn how to change your own oil for your 2010, 2013 Range Rover HSC Sports. Tools you need will be your negative pressure canister, the wrench, this type of wrench, oil filter wrench. This is what you take the oil filter from. The best oil for this car is a 520 Advanced Full Synthetic. Don't use any other brand. Don't use any other lubricant. Just the full synthetic. Then you will need your replacement filter. This is the type, the FD10992. So you pop the hood, pop this open, and pull it to come out of those two sockets. Set it aside. But before that, your car should be warmed, which I've already done. So you warm the engine a little bit, so the oil will be a little bit, the viscosity will low. And here's your filter. You have to strap this, let it open up a little bit before you come in here and open the oil. Take this out. So the hose of the negative pressure will be affixed onto that little hole that is in there, a pipe. So to open, you go anti-clockwise. At this point, the filter is out. But you don't take it all out because it should have some in there. Plug in. So you come in here with your hose and plug it on to that. Watch this is connected. Making sure your release valve is still on the pull up side. Give it about 10. Now you see it draining. You can hear it draining and it's filling up. Everything will be draining from the engine to the bottom container, as you can hear. So you feel you start hearing these noise. That shows that the oil is drained to the man. You can see now it turned from way back to this light, and If you can see where we are, this is 8-quart bottle. We are here, so we're almost out of the oil to the brim. So as the oil is drained, now you take out your filter and clean out the rest. That is a little bit in there. There's a little oil in there. You clear it out, and this will be your old filter. You don't throw this pot away because this is the cup. Then this old ring, you take it off, replace it, because the new oil filter comes with an oil ring. So you don't use no special mechanism. It's just a hand, normal hand bit, and it's out. So you hand tight the filter. I've already put in the filter. So you hand tight it, then you put your cup. Cup is in. This time you tie it clockwise. Give it a few torque. Okay. This is the top hard part, getting the cup off. I'm gonna put this down and I'll get a cup off with a little screwdriver. So because of this, pushing it becomes a little hard, so you gotta use 2 hands, one prying this a little bit back and pull. Yeah. That's the end of the oil change. Put back 8 quarts, cover it up tight, and put your cover back. Cover goes in this way. Make sure that and 2 caps here, 2 locks here. Sits right. This one sit right. Put it down. Push it in. It's set back there. Push them in at the top, so the top one can lock easily. Stop every vibration. And that'll be the end of oil change. Simple. So because of this, pushing it becomes a little hard, so you gotta use 2 hands, one prying this a little bit back and pull. Yeah. That's the end of the oil change. Put back 8 quarts, cover it up tight, and put your cover back. Cover goes in this way. Make sure that and 2 caps here, 2 locks here. Sits right. This one sit right. Put it down. Push it in. is set back there. Push them in at the top so the top one can lock easily. Stop every vibration. And that'll be the end of oil change. Simple.